Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. This Sunday, hope you're having a great weekend here where I live. It's very hot for the first time this year, so it's a bit it's a bit of a struggle living in such a cold country and then it being hot like this. But it's doesn't matter that much. It's also nice in a way. But in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. Yesterday we got quite a lot of volatility. Yesterday was actually a quite weird day. If you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, we got a move like this. Moves like these, I mean, I'm not certain how they are caused, but you do see them more often. It's not they're like very volatile spikes both. It's basically a spike up and a spike down. And then on the 4-hour time frame, you barely notice it because of the other volatility we got yesterday. But yeah, so that also provided some volume for the markets. I'm not sure how much, but right now volume is around 14 billion, which is quite high for a Sunday. So we'll have to see. I mean, next week is going to be a very big week as well. We'll talk about that in this video with the inflation rate coming on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we'll have the interest rate. So I already expect some momentum coming from that today. So we'll talk about that. But in general, I just try to prepare you as well as possible for today. So before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals in my own trading signal group and make some profits with us, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find more instructions on how to join. And all of the results are also fully open sourced, right? So you can view everything live after each week, because I'm trying to keep it very transparent and honest. But yeah, let's dive into Bitcoin. So technically what's going on right now is that we're getting some bullish momentum from this level right here at 25,400, which I actually did not think was that strong of a support level, but I guess it is. And we're trying to get some sort of bullish confirmation. Right now 25,900 and 26,000 is our main resistance. That's also backed up by the 0.5 FIB, the 0.382 FIB, so it's a strong resistance level. However, I actually do think today will break above that. Because what I expect is that usually, like from the Sunday to the Monday, that transition is usually quite volatile. And quite a lot of volume comes into the markets. Even though the volume right now, I mean, last weekend, at this point of time, we had a volume of 8.7 billion. And right now it's 14 billion. So that's probably going to decrease a little bit more, but then the volume will start to go in again. But anyway, I expect that momentum that we're getting today because of the markets opening again tomorrow. I expect that to be bullish because I do think that overall the expectation for the inflation rate and for the interest rate is a little bit bullish. So what we've always seen over the last couple of weeks, or the times that this has happened, is that usually you get to move a little bit earlier than the news itself. So that's why I think today, even though we got quite a lot of bearish momentum on Friday, which usually indicates more bearish momentum to come, even though that's usually the case, I think now because of those two major news events, I think the most likely scenario actually is that we will break above our major resistance level at around 26,000, and that we'll maybe find some resistance at 26,250, but only to take a break retest. And to, at this point in time, my price target is 26,700 and 26,800, and then from there we'll see whether we can break above that or not. Perhaps I'll even make some sort of an emergency update. But that's my take on it for now. I mean, if for some reason, by the end of today, so in the next, well, let's say 12 hours, we haven't done something like this, then I probably have to conclude that I was wrong. Because I do think that this will happen in the next 12 hours. I'll keep you updated on that. I'll obviously monitor the price myself, but that's my take on it for now. And if we cannot break above that, then we'll probably just consolidate here and drop down towards the levels around 25,000. But like I said, that's not what I expect. But that's my take on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.